in the same place to have same day to have more one image than to aggregate for dates. With this, you put the number of the hotspot inside, then you do the ranking, the positional of the most happen inside this land. You compare the other land. The questions at the moment was the most problem in the indigenous land. You have the rank. You can see if it's the grow or no. What do you select to attack this problem? Okay, hotspot is not exactly of fire, but if all time have hotspot, it's show for you have the fire. Now, not one day to look many days. Is continuing or not having hotspot. This is how I processing this data. In Python, you can use the memory. This is a file of one day. Download, create is the layer in the memory. For each database in memory, you processing one team to copy the layer of the theme, example, the Indigenous Land, copy here, the unit conservation here, etc. Is the process in parallel, and the result is stored inside the database. Is very, very quickly. And the first time, I believe, okay, it's very, very cool because it's quickly. It's a parallel process, and etc. When to write in the code, you think the other people continue your work. I'm working in the government. I go out, the other people came, need to continue. Be careful to write the code. The other people need to read, need to continue your work. Then the good practice, modular something, script download, the working database and processing. This is a big problem when I believe the using the Python is good, but I showed before what's happened after, sorry. It's very, very important. Don't reinvent the wheel. What's the idea? Some people have exactly the same problem. If you look at the battery of Python, Python have a lot of modules. Don't try. Study what Python have, the standard library. Not my scripts. I create, I look, I do everything I believe is a better. Wow. It's a fantastic. It's very fast. It's a 26 seconds of processing, multi-processing, and I feel the super programmer, super developer. Be careful. You can enjoy, take a beer, take wine, because you do the very, very fantastic work, but watch out for your pride. It can blind you. You look, it's the best, but finish your work, enjoy, continue look your code. Because sometimes to believe it is the best way, if the people ask for you, no, no, this is not best way, you're blind. No, I do, I'm the best. Be careful. It's very nice when you did the good work, but not your idea is the best. Listening. You listen to other people. When you create a new layer, you look the table in the database, to look your code in Python, your attention to the very good modules in Python, but my time is the first thing you need to think. Okay, very, very fast. Look at the difference of time. The big question, does process time matter? You need this? Your analysis is your boss looking into 18 morning. What's the difference? They finish processing 1 a.m., 2 a.m., no problem. The time of processing is not my matter. But the time I using for change or put the new feature is the most important. The maintenance is the big things you take leave in your code. It's easy to begin, it's very hard to maintain. Simplify. The difference of time, maybe in this room have the people and can show me if I can change. This is the problem. When I insert in database, the database have a lot of techniques to roll back. It have a cost. I would like it to make the same idea in the memory, depois copy, binary copy to table. If you have in the inside database, my time is this less. I don't know. I need to study about. If in the room have the people this have the solution for me, thank you. Why of the why? We already have a lot of problems in fighting fire. Let's solve it not be another problem. The system not end. You start your system, be careful, because it's grow, it have a problem into your system, more problem in the firefighting. At the moment into the fire, in the moment to fighting fire, it's very, very complicated. If your apps don't work, the problem is so high. In this moment, last week. The Flávia is the coordination of Brave Fogo. Have the difficult, so difficult. Maybe couldn't see way out, and they heard the music in the video. Maybe it seems someone brought a light. When to have a big problem, maybe the song, the music, wow, maybe this is a solution. Let's go show you the video. These firefighters, when they work, the first thing is the indigenous. Enter the territory, stop, pride, for God, for begin. Make the combat, come back, try the God again, every time. When to talking with him, she's told for me, I'm protect the nature. Not the nature for this, is for everybody in the place, everybody in the world. At the moment, the change climate is very high. This problem is a beginner. Is a need, everybody together. In the Prague Forum, have the cooperation with the other countries. In the left side is a meeting, virtual meeting. In the Brazil, me and my boss, 2 people to make the system, the fire system in Brazil. Of course, I have the other people, but we work in Ibama, only 2. The left side is the guys in the Portugal, have the problem, that calmly us to explain about how can do for the big fire. Left side. The right side is the group of a specialized group of the fire in the South America and Caribbean. 2 times a week is a meeting in some place in the South America. In this photo is Ecuador. Everybody have the same problem. You have a great opportunity to go beyond open data and software. Now let's move on to develop of system toward the need of the humanitarian. Not my country, not the country of the guys in the South America, is everybody has the same problem. In the last year, 120 firefighters go to Canada. Have some guys in Canada here? Yeah, George is living in the British Columbia. In British Columbia, have the big fire. The government Canada asked for Brazil, Mexico, Colombia to call the firefighters, help the Canada government. Technology. What you do with technology? If you can help us, because the firefighter help you. The opportunities to join the communities, the software community and the brigades community. Why? When to participate in the community, you to look are more than you. Not early money. You look high idea for not early what you need. Everybody needs the same things. If you have joined us, please, is the form. Enter. You are free. Put what can to help us. What can help us for us helping you. You lost the firefighters here, maybe the other year, but we need to put the technology in the hand of the firefighters. Not only Brazil, it's for every world. You need to join. Thank you. Sorry, I'm very fast, but I did.